everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you all a hairstyle that I seem to get a lot of compliments from. It's the messy bun with the faux bang look. So here I am parting my hair and sectioning it off, getting ready to put some mousse on it. It's freshly washed. I only use mousse with this hairstyle because I really don't want that much hold. I want it to look as natural as it can, and once I start putting the flexi rods on, you'll notice that I'm really not trying to do it super neat. I just want to get that curl in there, the bigger curl look. And I put the flexi rods on different ways. I really don't stick to a routine. Sometimes I roll it the way you saw before, and sometimes I roll it this way. Now this way is a little more complicated for me, but I don't want the curls to be uniform. I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my head, and once I'm done, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer. I'll try for about an hour, but I really don't want it to be super dry because I'm trying to get the natural curl look, not the flexi rod curl look. So you see, I'm just taking the flexi rods out, but I'm really not trying to be super gentle with them. And my roots, they're definitely not dry, they're a little damp, but I don't care about the roots because it's going in a ponytail. So I'm just going to take some of my oil and kind of rub that in and separate the curls a little. So now I'm just going to take this front piece for my bang. I'm going to take it out and kind of measure and see if that's the amount of hair that I want in the front. All up in my eyes. So that's good enough. I'm just going to take that piece and kind of put it in a ponytail, get it out of my way. And I'm going to take this piece and put it in a high bun, sort of like a pineapple. And sometimes when I'm wearing this hairstyle, I'll either leave the curls out and kind of pin them away, or I'll tuck them under like this. Sometimes I'll wear it like this with the bang, and sometimes I'll let the curls hang out even further. So now I'm just going to take those curls and kind of push them back. I do this a lot of different ways, but this way is how I do it most times. I'm going to take that and place it at the level where I want it, at my eyes, and then I'm just going to start bobby pinning it to my hair. Doesn't have to be neat, because in a minute I'm going to take that bun out, because I don't think I want it to be all covered up this time. I'm going to take that bun out and cover those curls up that I pinned to my head. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.